Hello guys, so sketch number 2 for the week, and sorry, beg your pardon, not for the week, for today. So yeah, as per usual, I'll just get to it. First sketch was 3 minutes 20 seconds, and then the second and the third were 3 minutes each. I am getting quicker, as you can see. I'm actually really quite happy the fact that these three actually did work out, and they look, most of this, like all three look actually quite similar to each other, and the ratios are improving, as well as the speed and the accuracy. So good speed, good ratios, good accuracy, and I'm really happy with the overall results. This is a super quick video today. It's even less than 2 minutes, and as per usual, I have utilised geometric and observational, good speed, quick drawing, and creating the quick feedback loop. If you are using these methods, or if you want to know more about them, please let me know and I'll get back to you. Bye!